In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Zapier. If you're looking to streamline your scheduling process by automating your tasks, then integrating these two powerful tools is a great solution. With Calendly, you can easily manage your appointments, and by connecting it with Zapier, you can automate workflows, saving you precious time and effort. To begin this process, let's first direct our attention to Zapier, an online tool that connects your apps and automates workflows without you needing to code. Start by opening your Zapier dashboard. On your dashboard, scan the menu options carefully until you find the choice labeled App Connection. You'll want to click on this option. It can usually be found prominently displayed, making it easier to locate. Once you've clicked on App Connection, you should see a new menu appear. Within this menu, click on the option that simply says Apps. This section is where all the magic happens, as it will allow you to see different apps that you can link with Zapier. Now navigate to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll once again find the words App Connection. Clicking this will prompt a search bar or a list depending on your layout settings. In the search function, type the word Calendly. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any unnecessary confusion or delay. Upon seeing Calendly in the search results, go ahead and click on Add Connect. This option will begin the process of linking your Calendly account with Zapier. Now, Zapier might prompt you to log into your Calendly account. If you're not already logged in, don't worry. Just make sure you have your Calendly login credentials ready, as you will need to enter these to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, Zapier will request certain permissions in order to access Calendly data, crucial for creating seamless notifications or integrations. Follow the on-screen prompts Zapier provides. These prompts are designed to address common concerns and questions that might arise during the connection process. Each prompt will guide you through steps like selecting specific calendars you would like to automate or determining what information should be shared between the two platforms. And that's it. You've successfully connected Calendly to Zapier. By doing so, you can now take full advantage of your newfound ability to create zaps, automating tasks like sending out confirmation emails, adding registrants to your CRM, or even posting reminders to Slack without lifting a finger. As you grow more accustomed to these tools, you'll wonder how you ever managed your workflow without them. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope it brings you one step closer to mastering your productivity tools.